Hi kids, today we are learning ABCD with phonic sounds. So first letter is A. A sound apple. B. B sound ball. C. C sound cat. D. D sound dog. E. E sound egg. F. F sound fish. G. G sound goggle. H. H sound hat. I. I sound ink. Next letter is J. J sound jug. K. K sound kite. L. L sound lollipop. M. M sound monkey. N. N sound nip. O. O sound orange. P. P sound pin. Q. Q sound queen. R. R sound rabbit.
Go.
S. S sound snake. T. T sound tennis. U. U sound umbrella. V. V sound violin. W. W sound whale. X. X sound X-ray. X. Y. Y sound yacht. Z. Z sound zebra. Thank you kids.